Konnichiwa nobara banda Yuji Megumi. Welcome back to another episode of Anime Eyes tutorial. Previously, I've covered the basics of drawing anime eyes. Well, it's gonna be a bit different from the previous tutorial because this time, I'm going to teach you guys how to create your very own style of anime eyes, so that your anime eyes will not look the same as the other illustrators. Alright, without further ado,
Here we go!
we can separate the eyes into 4 simple parts. The top lid. This part mainly determines your eye structure. The iris, the bottom lid, and the eyebrow. Top lid. The top lid is the most important part because it not only influences the art style of your anime eyes, but also the overall style of your character or OC.
Nani? What are you saying, Senpai?
Relax, you will soon understand what I'm trying to say. When it comes to the top lid of the eye, there are 4 types in total. First, the normal type. It's the most common eye shape you can find literally everywhere in anime. This type of eye structure is indeed common, but versatile as well, because it's suitable for almost every personality. I'll talk more about that later on. Using this as the base structure, you can modify it in various ways to form your own style like this, or this. Well, the creativity is endless, so have fun tweaking it.
Oh, Senpai. How about mine?
What are you drawing? The peacock? Second, the semicircle type. For this type, the eye structure is drawn in the shape of a semicircle. This type of eye structure is the most suitable for moe and kawaii girls, because the shape of a circle represents completion, wholeness, and harmony.
Wow, Senpai is now a professor in circles.
Third, the hooded type. This type of eye structure is mostly used for those anime girls who always look sad or tired all the time. This is because the outer V is lower than the inner lid. That's why characters with hooded type eyes always give off the lazy, sad, and tired vibe. Don't ever put this kind of eyes onto your sunshine, happy-go-lucky character, because they're the complete opposite. Wakata? Fourth, the straight type. For this type, the eyelid is a straight line. And what does the straight line tell us? Yes, flatness, which is why the straight type is very suitable for kuderes. No, I'm not saying they're flat, but it's just that they have a flat personality. Well, the eyelid doesn't have to be straight till the end. You can make some minor tweaks on the outer V as well, but make sure the majority of the eyelid length is straight. I want to emphasize that the straight type is not entirely exclusive for kuderes only. It's just that most kuderes tend to have this type of eyes. The straight type can also be used for anime characters that are born badass and cool. The iris. There are only 3 different ways to draw the eyeball. The normal eyeball, the reverse eyeball, and the pupilless eyeball.
Oh, there are different ways to draw an eyeball, eh? Can I draw a rectangle eyeball?
No, you idiot! That's not what I meant. Let's talk about the normal eyeball first. No matter how big you draw the iris is always black or dark in color. But for the reverse eyeball, the iris is usually white or has a brighter color. This type is pretty uncommon. You don't see it very often in anime or illustrations. The pupilless eyeball, on the other hand, is best suited for characters that are empty inside or very quiet. The bottom lid. It's a very interesting part because you can choose to either draw them or not to draw them. Many of you kohais don't really know about this, but drawing the bottom lid eyelashes is a very situational thing. Only draw them if you want your character to look more mature, badass, or ara. Do not draw them if you want your character to look younger or kawaii, or if you're too lazy. The eyebrow. There are a few variations when it comes to the eyebrow. For example, thin but short, thick but short. I know, there's also the husky eyebrow. The most notable examples are Mugi from K-On! And Ononoki from the Monogatari series. That's all for the eyebrow part. Simple, isn't it? Feel free to mix and match all the different styles from each part of the eye. Eventually, you will be able to create your very own style of anime eyes. As you're experimenting around, always remember which eye structure is suitable for which type of character. Oh, I was also wondering if you kohais have any difficulties in drawing anime eyes from different angles and perspectives. If so, let me know in the comments down below by commenting 222, and I'll make a video for it. Please drop a like, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Twitter. DM me if you want a commission from me. Alright, that's all from me. Ja na, kohais.